The giant panda is an iconic and symbolic creature. Here in Zoo Negara, Fuwa and Fengyi are living in our Giant Panda Conservation Center. As we went along, we realized that the center's electricity consumption was resulting in high maintenance costs, and the system that we had was not energy efficient.
The Zoo Negara being a key national attraction both for communities and tourists, we are implementing green energy solutions to help the zoo reduce its operating costs. This solar project at the Panda Conservation Center aligns perfectly with our mission. The rooftop solar PV panel captures clean solar energy to power the center. Working closely with our technology partner Huawei, the energy monitoring and management system tracks energy use.
Through this partnership, Ditrolic Energy and Huawei are empowering Zoo Negara to enhance the management of its resources and support Malaysia's national policy on climate change for sustainable, climate-resilient development. Zoo Negara will have clean and reliable power for its pandas, while simultaneously minimizing costs and electricity losses along transmission and distribution lines.
On behalf of Zoo Negara, we would like to thank Ditrolic Energy and their technology partner, Huawei, for their contribution to this solar system. The visitors can witness the benefits of green energy consumption and experience how technological advancements can enhance the sustainability of our planet.
By harnessing the power of the sun, we are progressing towards a cleaner and greener future for our pandas and planet.